guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are not going to solve any issue, but today we are going to unbox centrifuge machine. And this centrifuge machine is from BIOBASE company from China. And the model which we are going to unbox is BKC PL4M2. So let's start. So guys, after centrifuge machine, now I'm gonna unbox this microscope, and this microscope is also from BIOBASE, and the model number is XSB103. So that's the model. So let's start. So basically, BIOBASE is not the manufacturer of all the items. Some of them or many of them are from another company, but they are selling. So this one, microscope BIOBASE. At the time of removing these thermopoles, you can see here up. So we will lift. This is a binocular microscope. Same like other microscope, you will get 4 eyepieces. So here you can see it's already there, and we have one power cable with it, and this one I'm gonna connect here, and that's it. So let me start. So guys, that's all from today's video. So see you again with another video. Till that time.